Oh, you guys, look what I came home to from my Fifi. I cannot wait to open this. Okay. I was not expecting this. Well, I was expecting it, but I wasn't expecting anything today. So, I can't wait to open it. Hello, everyone. So, my sister just sent me some hair products that I'm going to be testing out because if you were in our live with me and her together last weekend, I was talking about how my scalp gets really dry, and not a lot of products work for me. So I'm really excited because she decided to send me some stuff. Oh wait, I opened it upside down. Hold on, let me do it the right way. Ooh, oh my god, you guys, I am so freaking excited. Let's see, I have 6 products here. We have the hair moisturizer, and I love it because, like I said, it's all natural products. There's no sulfates. These are all the things that are pretty much bad for your hair. We have a leave-in conditioner. We have the sealant hair oil. What's this? This one is the, I do not know how to pronounce that, and I'm not even going to try. But it's another hair oil, a penetrating hair oil. And then we have the neem oil and avocado oil pre-poo treatment. So I'm guessing this is before you shampoo your hair. You use this. And then what do we have here? Kukum butter and avocado butter. Hair sealant butter. I love this butter, by the way. But the hair moisturizer. I cannot wait to try these out. Like, I could just smell the ingredients in these, and it smells so good. I wish I knew which ingredient it was that smelled like that. Ow. Sorry, I'm trying to open the butter. Ow. Yeah. Look at it. Let me just say, I tried this butter before they added it, and it's the bomb, okay? But they did a different recipe, and look at that. Oh, wow. I love that. And my hair will love it too, because I had some braids in, and let me tell you, my scalp was still moist and greased up for a whole month. Alright, can't wait to show you guys the results after using this. And don't forget to shop the website, trinityshouseofsuds.com.